Hello you guys, this is another look around on my vehicle. I know you guys wanted to see how it sounds outside since I did do it in my garage. I got some new add-ons to my car, as you can see. Got the GM factory rims from Camaro 5 off of a user. Also painted the body kit black, and then I as well painted gloss black all in here where the headlights lay. Got the Bumblebee Transformers 3 glossy paint stripes, and then all the way around got the body kit black. Looks good. The stripes go on top. I do have the sunroof, so it's alright. And the black spoiler as well. Looks cool. And then representing SoCal head turners. Hell yeah. Looks so nice and glossy. Now, I'll show you how it sounds. Let's turn it on. It's with the ghost cam. Let's find a place to put it first. Picks right back up. If you want to listen to it in the inside, close these windows. Keep in mind this is still outside. Okay, still outside. Okay. Let's get closer. Then I'll do a drive-by video soon. Let me pull in my car. So that's how it sounds like outside. And then I'll show you how it sounds like inside. There is a difference. I did notice that. It does make it a little bit louder. Sorry about that, guys. But it is still loud outside. Just a little bit of an echo. But there's the video. Please comment, like the video, subscribe. I'll subscribe to you. If you want any more other videos of anything else, or if you want any info in the car, just send me a message or put it in the comments and I'll respond to you, alright? Thank you.